Hello and welcome to this video. What is a good dual camera backpack? So there's loads of options out there for backpacks. I have a smiley face delivery, which I'm gonna do a live, kind of, not really my thing, but you know. Can you even see me now? No. There's the dual camera business. So I've got this, which you can probably see there, and okay, so yeah, it's a big packet. Let's unravel it and see what we have. Where's my Swiss Army knife gone? A Swissy. Okay. There we go. You don't really need to see unboxings, but you know what? I had a comment before saying you said you're not going to do an unboxing, and you did an unboxing. And then I replied to them saying I don't reply to comments, and I replied to his comment. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. You know what? This looks decent. That looks very decent. Let's get rid of that. Okay. Let me see if I can show you another view of this. Okay, there. So that is the bag in a plastic wrapping, which is great in this current situation. You want as much protection as possible. So it feels fairly lightweight. Ooh. Bam, mate. You know what? That's not half bad. It reminds me of my Lowepro bag. I'm going to do a separate comparison of this and the Lowepro bag. On the side there, you've got a tripod. You know what? That looks quite sweet. Nice, robust zip. Because normally if you buy cheap or budget camera bags, they feel a bit tatty. This definitely doesn't feel tatty. I like the side water bottle carrier. You can stick our water bottle in there straight away, which is kind of decent. Very nice. Okay, so this bag is an Esddi, Esddi, $49.99 on Amazon. So I'll class it as a mid-range. I'll class it as a mid because there's a few out there that are really cheap, which are like the Amazon basic ones, probably at £20. So this one is a mid-range, but it feels a lot better than a mid-range. I'll show you like a video clip of me outside wearing it and stuff, but that looks alright, you know. Okay, so there's a few pockets here. Let me see if I can show you. Okay, that is a better view actually. So right now, that is the back of the camera. That comes apart like that. There's a little strap there, which is interesting. And there's a zip here. So actually, that's a good place for passports and like documents. So right behind your back, so nobody can get them. Nice padded. Oh, very nice. Very nice. You know what? Should I give you a top-down shot of how it looks inside? Back that up there. Zoom it in a bit. Okay, so you should see that now. Let's open this bad boy up. 2 zips. It opens like a suitcase. That's the inside. Oh, it's got a separate waterproof case and some little straps. Okay, so will my camera fit in here? Of course it will. It's got dividers that you can remove. If I get my 5D MK2, that should fit into there nicely. And that's just an extra little. Okay, 1 2 3. You know what? This is actually very sweet, because what you can do is you can use it as a camera bag. But if you don't want to take your camera with you, it's a dual purpose. I would basically just take out all of the dividers and use it as a normal backpack, like for luggage, like for clothing and that. So you can get rid of all of that. And look at that, you've got enough space there to put loads of stuff for like a weekend away. And it feels nice and robust. Handles nicely made, nice stitching, nice color. You know what? This is a nice bit of kit, mate. Okay, so let me show you the listing on Amazon so you can see what I'm looking at here. Okay, so that is listing in Amazon. Esddi $49.99, and that's the bag. I'll do you like a proper comparison, but I'll leave a link in the description where you can actually pick up the bag from. And I would recommend it based on the opening and the quality of it, the feel of it. I'll compare it to my other bag, which I'll do a separate video on. But right now, it's got a little tripod stand on the side as well. Let me show you that. Okay, so here, you can put a tripod and that loops it around. Very, very, very sharp, mate. Something I would wear because it looks trendy as well. So I'm saying that is a nice bag if you've got a little bit of a budget, because the Lowepro 250 AW is double the price of this bag. I have got one. That's the one I use. I've used it for years. Like, you're looking 10 years plus. I have a Billingham bag as well. But you want a different bag for different situations. And I've got a Pelican case 1510, the roly-poly one. So what you want is you want a nice range of bags for every occasion. If you're doing a small shoot, you have a small bag. If you're doing a medium shoot, you have the medium fast pack bag because it's got 2 sections. This I'll compare to the Pelican because it's got more space to put stuff in. It's a full section. So I'll do a review of this outdoors and show you it next to the Lowepro and you can see how it looks, but so far very impressive.